Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Our today's topic is shapes. Expected learning outcomes are: the student is expected to identify and name 2D or familiar shapes: circle, square, triangle, oval, and rectangle. Look over here. Wow, these are shapes. Okay, rectangle. Here is in rectangle your screen, LEDs, tables, you could say brick, and envelope. Circle, it resembles like wall clock, wheel, football, button. Now square, look at the window, look at square wall clock, look at this pillow and the screen of television. They all resemble, they all look like square shape. Our next shape is triangle. Look at this picture. Here is a tent, mountain, and a piece of watermelon. They all look like triangle shape. So these all are 2D shapes, like your whiteboard, table, wall clock. These all are the examples of 2D shapes. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.